Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, if we go onto phone, that brings up select phone. Now there's an arrow to the right, corresponds to these arrows on this rotary control here. You've got delete, and again another arrow to the right, so click sideways and then you have to select the phone you want to delete. Click OK. Barry's iPhone 11, do you want to delete? It's defaulted to OK. If not, if you made a mistake, just knock it down to cancel, and then we click OK in the center. That's the phone gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, we go to phone. You've got select phone there. We make sure Bluetooth is on. Just watch down here for it to come up already, and there you go, it's already switched on. Click Land Rover, Bluetooth pairing, use pin 8369 pair. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, but you will. So that's it done. Land Rover connected. Another great thing with this this vehicle, if you go to your iTunes, you see at the bottom the red triangle and 3 red circles. It says Land Rover there. So there's a tick next to Land Rover. I'll just turn this down, go back, and then here we click auxiliary. Now that's come up on the tune that's playing on my iPhone. Sometimes, let's just try it again, yeah, line in. So there's a couple of choices. So you may have to press it once, you may have to press it twice, but that's it playing there. I'll turn that up to a reasonable volume, and then I'll turn this up quickly just so you can hear it. It is playing. It was playing very loud as well. That's it, that's how you do it.